In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your transactions using QuickBooks while understanding that this software serves primarily as a record-keeping tool. One of the key aspects of using QuickBooks effectively is knowing that although it accurately logs all your financial activities, it does not perform the actual transfer of funds between accounts or banks. Let's dive deep into what this means and the best practices for handling these tasks efficiently. First and foremost, QuickBooks is designed to help you keep track of your business's financial health. It's an incredibly helpful tool for maintaining a clear and comprehensive record of your income and expenses, allowing you to generate detailed financial reports. However, a crucial point to remember is that the role of QuickBooks does not extend to transferring funds. When it comes to moving money from one account to another, you'll need to use your bank's online services or your chosen payment processor. Let's set up a scenario to make this clearer. Suppose you receive payments for goods or services directly into your business bank account, and now you want to transfer some of that money to a savings account. While QuickBooks will accurately log this transaction as income, you must log into your bank's online platform or app to actually move the funds. QuickBooks will ensure the payment is part of your records, displaying it in your accounts as received, but it will not handle the movement of money. Now, some might wonder why it's important to keep QuickBooks updated with these transactions. Maintaining accurate records in QuickBooks is critical for understanding your cash flow and staying on top of your finances. As a best practice, you should reconcile these accounts regularly to match your QuickBooks records with your actual bank statements. By doing so, you ensure everything is in sync and any discrepancies are spotted and addressed timely. When using a payment processor like PayPal or Stripe, you must go through a similar process. Your payment processor will handle the money movement, and QuickBooks will serve to document this activity. To maintain accuracy, always record the processor fees separately as expenses in QuickBooks. This will give you a precise picture of your net revenue, taxes, and cash flow, which is particularly important for financial planning and analysis. In summary, QuickBooks is an essential tool for tracking your finances and generating reports, but it is not your go-to for transferring funds. Utilize your bank's systems or payment processors for these tasks and ensure that your QuickBooks records reflect these activities as they occur. By understanding and managing these distinct roles effectively, you can maintain clear and precise financial records. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your financial management process with QuickBooks.